Welcome back to another Kit in 60 Seconds. Today I'm going to be talking through the phone gimbal. Now it comes in this handy little bag. What we want to do is open it up and get out our gimbal and our mini tripod. And there should also be a phone clip in there. So I'm going to pop that bag to the side. First thing I want to do is attach the mini tripod to the gimbal. So I just want to screw that in place. And then I'm going to open out the tripod legs and pop it on the table. Next thing I want to do is open up the gimbal. So I want to find the hinge and then grab it and open out towards the hinge and your gimbal will turn on. We want to make sure this is off while we set it up. So I'm going to press and hold that M button and make sure it turns off. Then I'm going to attach the phone clip to my phone. I want to check for a little camera icon on the side of the phone clip and make sure that that arrow is facing my phone camera. And then I'm going to pop on using the spring-loaded function, the clip, making sure that it's not pressing on any of the buttons. Then I'm going to line up the white dot with that silver pin and make sure it is nice and secure. And now I'm going to turn on my gimbal. So I'm going to press and hold that M button and the gimbal will come to life. I'm then going to double tap this button with the arrows and my phone will go into landscape mode. There are lots of different settings we can use for our gimbal. So setting 1 is going to do panning and tilting. And then if I tap this M button here, you'll see that that white circle moves along one and it's now locked to the tilting axis. So I can do nice smooth pans without it affecting that tilting axis. The next one along, you can see that the circles are going in all different directions. So I can pan, I can tilt, and I can roll. And then if I press that M mode again, it locks the panning and tilting axis, but it has the roll axis. And if I want to, I can use the joystick to do nice smooth rolls. If I want to recenter my camera, I will double tap that trigger and your phone can connect to the gimbal via Bluetooth and I can press this button to record and this button to stop.